Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Well, you may have ways, I'm not sure. Okay, I would need to have more information from you. Now, I assume since you've been here 30 years, you did come after 1972. Believe it or not, they have a law called registry, where if you entered prior to 1972 and have been here ever since, the mere fact you've been here all those years allows you to apply for adjustment of status, and they never updated it. I've always found that strange, that with registry, as the years and the decades go on, they leave the 1972 date the same, so every year it becomes more implausible that somebody will qualify. Now, just because you can't adjust status, if that's the case, I would need to determine that, because again, you might fall under what's called 245I. Maybe your parents filed something, or your uncle filed something for your parents before 2001, in which case you could be a derivative beneficiary and apply for adjustment. You might be married to someone who was in the military, and you might qualify for a parole in place application. You might be a victim of crime and be able to do the U or the T visa. So there's ways that you might be able to adjust here, which I would have to determine. But let's assume you can't adjust. There might be ways you can consular process. You might be able to eventually have to leave to go to the consulate for your interview. And of course, since we're having this discussion, you're obviously going to be subject to the 10-year bar. So you would need to qualify for the 10-year bar waiver. You might qualify for the provisional waiver, which means you can wait here while they're processing it. That process, several different things have to go, and it takes about a year and a half. You may or may not have deportation orders. I don't know if you have multiple illegal re-entries. Every case is different. But I would not just wait year after year after year thinking there's nothing you can do, when all you have to do is get a consultation from somebody who's an expert who might be able to determine what the best route is for you. It really depends on the facts of your case. Okay.